Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn about the running time complexities for swapping made in bubble sort algorithm. Before starting, please watch my previous video about the running time complexity for comparisons made, so that you guys can connect the dots. So let's start. This is our pseudocode here. Now, if we have to execute the swapping line of code, if statement have to execute first, and to execute if statement first. For loop has to be executed first. In previous video, we have learned that if statement executes approximate n square times. Swapping line of code's execution will vary according to the elements present in the array. So, in worst case, meaning that in every pass, swapping is done. The complexity comes out to be the same as complexity of comparisons made. That is n square. In best case, meaning that there will be 0 swapping done in every pass. Here to not execute the swapping line of code, if statement has to be false for every pass executed. Though there will be no swapping made, but there will be still some constant time taken to compare the adjacent elements of the array, whether they are in order or not in order. So in best case, the runtime complexity comes out to be sigma of 1. That is constant. Now to find out the average case runtime complexity, we have to sum up all the possible cases present and divide them by the total number of cases possible. Here, the best case runtime complexity takes constant time, so we will write it here as 0 in mathematical term. And at last, our worst case complexity was n square. Now to find out the total number of cases, we have to count the total terms present above. Now we got our total cases. If we try to solve this, we can lose our very much time, so I will tell you the direct answer for this. On solving further, our running time complexity comes out to be theta of n square. As I said in previous videos, that finding the running time complexity for an average case is very difficult, so we will try to avoid it in our upcoming videos. So let's recap the running time complexities. For worst case, the running time complexity for swapping made is big O of n square. For best case, the running time complexity for swapping made is sigma of 1, which is constant. And at last, for average case, the running time complexity for swapping made is theta of n square. In our next video, we will do some optimization in our bubble sort algorithm's code. Till then, keep grinding.